Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, uh, July the 11th, 2022. Two puzzles are solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. We have two puzzles left, tectonic, cypher block in Dutch, with 4 stars and a binary. Yes, it's binary time. Binary number 4835. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. A double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's. No. 3 O's we have here. I cannot place the 4th O here. Otherwise, we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this can mean, oh, this should be a 1. Double 1. Here, no. There, no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Then... 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can mean, oh, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Let me see. Is it time for comparing? We have only one column. Seems... Well, we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, double 1. Here no, there no. Well, we have here almost the same column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So I cannot place the O there because otherwise we will have identical columns. So this should be the O and this should be a 1. Okay, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. One, two, three. Come on. This is almost the same. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Almost the same. 3 boxes are left. We have 3 O's I cannot place the fourth O here, otherwise we will have identical rows. Yeah, so this should be a 1. Okay, now we have 3 ones in the first column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We're still not. Then 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, the fourth O, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1. Here no, there no. Now I think we need to compare. O, 11, yeah. This row and that row. 1 1 1 1 1 1 empty box. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Wow, a lot of, well, it's not a lot of comparing, but a lot of thinking. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic cipher block with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.